Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. Uh, this is the daily chart, gold daily chart I made on August the 18th, saying that this thing is going to be going to the upside, just like that, after finishing this triangle. Right, in wave four, it's supposed to go up. For wave five, this is wave one, two, and I said from here we might be going to the upside. So last week we ended up like this, right? So we went up in little retracement, and then we went up more, right? And nice and clean, and then hopefully we will continue to the upside. But in like in Elliott Wave count and all of that, we have to pay attention to. Similarly, at the same time, I made the chart like on a 4-hour chart that's showing this one. Right. First, I made the chart is going to go from here, maybe 38%, but usually either it makes the turn around like 38% or 23, right? So it dropped to 23%, and then I made the chart that okay, now it's going to go up, and this is how it makes the turn, right? So this could be like a small wave one, two, and then three was underway, and then four and five that would be wave one, and then you're going to drop for like one ABC two, and then three, four, five, something like that. So if you look at the smaller time frame, I made this chart as well, the 1,000 buck size. That okay, it bounced from here, it hit the TL, but it's not gonna break and go to the upside, but it's gonna drop first in this area around 38 to 23%, and then it will go up. Right. This is the chart I made on the 20th, and I was watching it. So it came down here, and then it went up. Look, the chart. This is the chart, right? So it came like ABC fashion, like this. This kind, you can count like it's like wave one, ABC two, and then three. Wave three going to the upside. So that's exactly what it did. And then going to the upside, this is on the 23rd. I recorded the chart on Saturday yesterday, right? So yeah, this is what happened. Thursday and Friday went up. Going to the upside, the idea was like it's gonna go up, right? So I was looking for short, but in these down moves, I also took the short. Don't get me wrong. As soon as I see a reversal candle and then I get the entry in that direction, I take it. So forget about that. We concentrate on the long side. So when it was going to the long side, look at this. This is the trade I took. Excuse me, on the 20th. Beautiful entry here by the book, taken by the EA for 230 pip, right? And then on the 22nd, Friday, again, after dropping and then again going to the upside, again, same kind of entry. Look at that. How similar these entries are, right? It was bearish here, and then, goes above the red line, become bullish, make the setup, and then leave, right? Here, again, same thing. We were bearish before, the big move to the upside, again, came down, made the setup, and then gone with the wind. So these two long side, I had two short side as well, but we're gonna concentrate on the long side because I think that's gonna go to the upside. But right now, since I think that this is the current situation here, this is wave one, ABC two. Then wave three was underway when we closed on Friday. So either the wave three is finished or may go to 161%, or maybe this is 3392 area somewhere there. Then it's gonna drop for wave four, and then it will go for wave five, right? So this is what I think right now that's what's gonna happen. And on those 4-hour chart and the daily chart, they are still intact, right? So I'll be watching them and then taking the swings from the 1,000 buck size and entries from 150 buck size chart, right? So let's see what happens now. Wave four, if it is coming down, I'm not gonna bother going short because that's sometimes, so most of the time, wave four becomes very dangerous, right? It range a lot, and then SL hit a lot, so I don't want to do that. I will probably will stay, and if this is like some kind of like wave, a corrective wave, and then a powerful wave come to the downside, then maybe I'll think about going short. But if not, then if it is slowly coming down, I will not bother because that would be the wave four. Right? And after that, I will get into the long side for wave five. All right. So this is what gold is doing. And, let's see what happens. Let's see. Right. So far, so good. Every single move I caught, and beautiful entries and beautiful trades. So hopefully this one is also see these two short. let me show you that. I may be able to show you that those shorts, where the heck those shorts are. I had those. Like this one. No, this is the one that. So see, on the 18 that I made the chart, it dropped, right? So this is the drop there on 18. You see that? A small drop here. So 135 pip, I got that. And then the other trade, I had it on 19. The next day, again, it went up, and then again it dropped, right? So that is the short that we had here, small, 170. Then it came all the way down. Then it was, where the heck is that? Then it was here, the first drop and the second drop, those two trades, and then the first long and the second long. Right, so this is the game in this very, very good setup here, the system, gold. So this 1,000 box size, and then from there, entry from 150. So if you want to master this, this gold system here, which you can see that, from here to here, I had two short, big one, and then two long, very big one, right? So, and very easy and very systematic. The losing chance is very minimum. So, like I said, that if you want to become master of this gold trading, using this system, go on my website here, think right, and then one-on-one coaching, and I'll make you master of this thing. All right. So this is it for now, and let's see what happened. Market is about to open in maybe 30, 40 minutes, and we will take it from there. And then I will, oh yeah, I'm gonna send this video out to everyone. So to my subscribers, no, please wait, and I will look for 40-minute setups are not very good right now, right? So they are setting up right now. So I will have to wait maybe a few hours before they completely set up, and then I make the chart and I'll post on the Telegram, right? So you be aware. So make sure that you are connected. If you are a paid subscriber, you must be connected here so that you can, take advantage of it. Now, I made a video for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very, very good right now, but it is about to fall into wave 4, which will be very dangerous, right? So this is a smaller time frame, weekly. I have a monthly chart, very good. And then a smaller time frame, this is what happening. Wave 1 is finished, wave 2 to the upside, then wave 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and then it will come down here for wave 4. Right. So this one, and then I just posted this one as well, right, for you guys. So be aware of that. So wave 3 should be ending, and we're gonna fall here also in gold 1,000 chart for wave 4, and then wave 5 will be going to the upside. So we will jump on that. Right. And then other than that, like USD yen, I mean, not USD yen, yen index and US dollar index, those are also moving very nicely according to my analysis. So I'm going to make those a separate video for that, and then I'll post here on the Telegram. That would be only for subscribers, right? I'm going to make it public so that everybody can take advantage of that. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to sign up for my free Telegram here and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And let's get started with the new week.